Okay, after finish the authorization, we come to the vehicle, the most important part in the system. For vehicle, we have four functions. Is for registration and renewal and recharge and error corrections. For registration means when a car he want to recharge or something, first must register his number in our system. For example, we register a number. Sorry, we need to click add first, and then the date and time and operator will come automatically. PFQ 512. So for this car, he want to charge, he want to pay by season. We click here for season cars. With the type of car we choose for the first step for small cars. Valid date we could choose, for example, 1 month today is May 11th, so the valid date is 1 month to 6/11. Okay, value balance and your owner name and car plate color, and you could input maybe the red color. Input. And telephone number is 123. Yeah, this number, and owner name is maybe Thompson. Yes. And the vehicle model number, maybe the BMW like this. And we give him ID. This company name is T and G. Yeah, this company, and we mark parking lot number. This 3. Okay. Payment amount, for example, he paid 200 this month, so we input payment amount 200. Okay, and remark nothing remark. So we choose a parking bay parking lot for number 3 from here. And okay, after input all the information, you see. So we see his information was registered successfully for this vehicle number and type of car, valid date, and value balance. Value balance is just when he charged the 200, and maybe we also input here for 200. We added 200. Yeah, sorry. Because this is a new car, so no value balance. If not the new car, this value balance will show automatically here. Okay, this is the registration of this car. If we want to find the information of the one car, we choose find, choose logic and or keyword. For example, vehicle number, and compare being worth its capacity according to this one. Being worth is 512. Okay, we find. Okay, we find this record here. For this function, you want to view any record of the system. You click this plate number and click the view, and you see this report and the information. And if you want to print out, you click print and choose printer and then print out. And after that, you choose exit to back to the control panel for this one. Okay, this totally function about this button. And next one we will show the renewal. Okay, for example, this plate number, you see the valid time is May 10, and we show how to renew for this. The second function is for renewal. First, we add, and the renewal date and operator will fill in automatically. and we input the plate number, this plate number, it will show the expired time, and new valid time is automatically add 1 month. Okay, after finish this, and you could click save. So you will check this record. This card number will be at the time of 1 month, and also you could delete and edit this record. You edit, and you will change the time again. After that, you finished, and then you view and print and exit. Okay, this for function of renewal. Okay, the third is for recharge. This for recharge, let's register a new plate number. For example, we reject a new plate number of WIQ 2378. So this type of car to be a cash car. Okay, with car type is 3 type. And if this car is already registered, you have the value balance. If no new cars, this will blank. The owner name will be and valid date, because this cash car is no valid date, and car model number is Honda. Okay, color right, the telephone number and payment amount, maybe 300. Okay, company name and ID, your options to input or not. Okay, you save it, enter image vehicle number, balance. And the payment amount is 300. Okay, we save this information. Okay, this for cash card, we have a card reader and show the value balance. You must input the value balance here and add the payment amount in new line. So this record is saved successfully. So we copy this number. Okay, exit. We recharge for this number. We add and also input this number. Okay, we click here. Its value balance is 7, and recharge amount we put. He give you 500. We input 500, and our information correct. Okay, save. So we have a record for this recharge, and you also could view and print the charging record for the user. After printout, you could exit. Okay, this is for this recharge function. Okay, after finish this recharge, we exit. Okay, let's go to the next one for error correction. What does this function use? Is for plate number. Okay, we add a plate number. For example, this one, WIQ 2378. This number always was recognized to be WIQ 2376. And for this number, we could correct by hand from here. If we input the real vehicle number and also the error vehicle number, well, next time he go to the enter and exit the error vehicle number like this, he will change to the real one automatically. After finish input the error correction, we save. Have this record here. Okay, this is a function of error corrections.